have this trio of nautical wall decor: anchor, lighthouse, and ship wheel. I'm going to be using these in my lake house, bringing a seaside serenity to the space. First and foremost, they come in at 7 by 7. So they're just the right size. They feel upscale boutique, but they are priced very well. They have the handcrafted high quality decor, 3D, each one of them is. They arrived beautifully boxed, and it does have the hanging hardware with it, which made for an easier convenience. Vivid coastal charm, classic navy blue is going to pop against my white walls, and the space is going to look fresh. I'm not quite ready to rip it apart, so I wanted just to really freshen it up. These are going to be placed in a bathroom, but they are very versatile. They can use a nursery room if you're doing a nautical, a hallway, or any other kind of coastal feel room. But would I buy again? Absolutely. I would think to give these as a housewarming gift, or anybody really decorating a lake, a beach, or a coastal theme. It's one of those sets that really do look more expensive than they really are. Final verdict: sturdy, stylish, and instantly charming. This trio here is going to really capture that nautical nostalgia in the most elegant way. Love. A standout choice for anybody dreaming of the ocean, a lake, or the sea.